With Gemini 2.0 Flash, I want to show you how you can easily build an AI agent in Python using the Agno agentic framework. First, you should visit the Gemini Developer API and scroll down. Over here, we can start building with the Gemini API. What we need to do first is to install the Gemini API with this command. Next, you should export your Gemini API key with this command. Then we visit agno.com to install it as well. Agno is a Python framework for building AI agents. So let's go to the documentation and install it. To install Agno, we use this command. You should also generate an API key from your Agno account and export it with this command. Next, you should create a Python file in your favorite editor. Over here, we are going to use Cursor. You have noticed I have made all these imports. I have stored the Gemini API key and others in the .m file. Over here, we load the .m file and get one of the API keys, that is Tavily. I will show you how to install that shortly. To create an agent with Agno, we use the agent class. So you create an agent and specify the model you want to use. Over here, you have noticed we are using Gemini, that is Gemini 2.0 Flash. The last thing we need to do is to print the agent. So we want to find the current weather in Helsinki, Finland. Let's go to the terminal and run it to see what we have. You have noticed Gemini Flash was unable to access real-time information from the web. That is because in the agent's definition, we didn't give it any tool to search the web for real-time information. You have noticed here it presented some other links to search for further information. So in the agent's definition, we can go ahead and give it a tool. So here we are specifying the tool as Tavily tools. Before we can use Tavily, we need to install it. So you should visit Tavily.com. Tavily allows AI agents and LLMs to search the web for real-time information. So in order to use Tavily as a tool by Gemini Flash, we need to install it with this command: pip install -u Tavily Python. I have already done that, so let's go back to Cursor. You have noticed here I have added the import. So all we need to do is to add the tools parameter and specify that as Tavily tools. I'm going to save the changes so we can clear everything in the command line and run the file again. Now we have real-time weather information from Gemini 2.0 Flash. So we have the current temperature, information about the wind, and humidity. So this is how to build your first AI agent in Python using Gemini 2.0 Flash and Agno.